What's up guys, if you've been struggling to turn off the red LED light in your Hisense Smart TV, in this video I will show you how to turn off this red LED light from the settings of your Hisense Smart TV. So just go ahead and turn on the TV like so, and then go to the home of the TV. Now you want to scroll to the top and get to the settings of your Hisense TV. Now in the settings, you want to scroll down until you get to the system. Now in the system, you also want to scroll down until you get to advanced settings like so. Click on it. Now on the advanced settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to power indicator. Now this power indicator, like you already know, controls the red lights whenever the smart TV is turned off. So what you want to do is to basically turn off this option, and then the red light on your Hisense Smart TV will be turned off whenever the TV is also turned off. Now just to confirm this, you want to turn off the TV like so. And now that my TV is turned off, you can clearly see that the red standby LED light is no longer turned on again. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.